Hi, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Drupal 7.23 to 7.24. If you're using 7.23 earlier this week, you probably got a message like this, a warning of a severe security risk, and advising you to download a new version. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's pretty simple. There's two ways you can do it. I'll show you the more traditional way first, and then second I'll show you how to do it using Drush. So we'll download the new version of Drupal. You get it at drupal.org/project/Drupal, and extract it. And you can see, of course, we have all of the same files in our old version of Drupal. So what we want to do is delete all of the project files other than the sites folder and replace them with the new project files present in Drupal 7.24. One little side note, that's also going to replace the htaccess file and the robots.txt file. So if you have modified those, you'll of course want to make a backup of them. So highlight all of these, delete them, and I'll come over to my freshly downloaded version, and just drop them in. Now we'll refresh our page. And let's check manually for updates. And we see there are no updates to be had anymore. We're now up to date. Technically, when you do this, usually you should run update.php, but I just happen to know it's not necessary for this particular upgrade. Usually it's a good idea, though. But we've created one new problem, and this will be true for every single person who upgrades from 7.23 to 7.24. There's a security change in the way the file system is handled, and it was a change that needed to happen, but it's a little tricky to adjust your system for. Basically, we need to put a new htaccess file in each of the file directories. There's two ways to do it. You could edit them manually, or you could let Drupal take care of it for you. So the easiest way to do this we have our current private and temporary file system directory. We'll just change them. And what Drupal is going to do is it's going to create new folders for us with the appropriate htaccess files. So if we come back over to status report, you see now we've suppressed 2 of those 3 error messages, and we've fixed the security hole in those directories. The public files directory we're going to have to actually make an edit to. That's okay. It's not very difficult. This is kind of a long document, but the core of it is right here. What we need to do is we need to take our public files directory and replace it with the htaccess file in our public files directory and replace it with this file here. So here's our public files directory. Here's our htaccess file. Oh, whoops. Got to change the permissions temporarily. Save that. And reload our status report. And now we're good. We have upgraded successfully to Drupal 7.24. Not too bad. I'll show you one last strategy for upgrading. I have another demo site here ready to go. Close that other one. So here we go. We have our error message again, asking us to upgrade. And this time we're going to do it with Drush. Drush makes this so much easier. All I'm going to do is PM update. One of the things I really like about Drush is about the Drush upgrade path is that it actually gives you some meaningful information about the impact of the upgrades you're making. Pointing out, as I mentioned a minute ago, that you need to back up your htaccess and robots files. So we do want to make the upgrade. We'll hit yes. It makes a backup for us automatically, clears the cache, checks for database updates, and now we're finished. We refresh this page. We see the error message is gone. We've completed the upgrade. And all that remains to do is to replace the htaccess files in our files directory. And that's it. That's how you upgrade from Drupal 7.23 to 7.24.